Hey guys, Rob here from Great Lakes Reliance, and today I'm going to be doing a little wood handle maintenance on my wood handle tools there. But what I do once a year, I put a coating of boiled linseed oil on them. Seals in the wood, stops it from drying out and rotting. So I do that once a year. And I'll do it first on this axe handle here. This is the wrap I put on there. It's coming off already. I get this off of here. And the string needs to be replaced. Get it. Here at the home here in the suburbs, so I'm doing a little backyard bushcraft, I guess. Now, using that boiled linseed oil, that if you do it indoors, make sure you're in a well-ventilated area, and that stuff is known to spontaneously combust. But a lot of painters use it to thin out paint, helps paint flow better. But there has been instances where people leave it on rags and just leave it down in the corner and ends up catching on fire. So yeah, you wanna, if you're gonna keep the rags, make sure you leave them soaked in water or just get rid of them. I use these blue towels you get from AutoZone. But this is the axe. I bought this axe head at a garage sale for $1, and then put this handle on it. Got the handle from Home Depot and handled it. I handled the axe. But learn how to handle an axe really good. There's Axe Junkies on YouTube. Look up Axe Junkies, or Dave Canterby is Self-Reliance Outfitters. He's got a good video on how to handle an axe there. But yeah, I like the Axe Junkies. Axe Junkies on YouTube. But yeah, once a year, I make it every October. All my wood handle tools, I put a coating of boiled linseed on there, linseed oil. But let's see here. To open the can, I got my Leatherman rebar. Gotta be careful with these things are sharp. Every time I've opened this and the knives on here, I've cut myself. So you want to be careful with these. Use a little pry bar thing out of there. Gotta have a good multi-tool, EDC carry, always have one. This is the Leatherman rebar. Okay. Got this in the leather case here. As no big deal. Just thought I'd make a short video. All my videos have been on ham radio lately, so I thought I'd do something different. Just pour a little bit on there. And wipe her down. Now, when I bought this handle from Home Depot, it come with a layer of lacquer on it. I sand all the lacquer off, and then I'll put a coat of this boiled linseed oil on there. Really helps protect the wood, seals it in from rot and drying out. And then I can use this rag when it's when I'm done for a fire starter. There it is. That's all it takes. Let's see if I can get in the sun here. My grandson is at the door. Are you coming out? Kids these days, they should be outside on a nice day like this in southeastern Michigan. There it is. That one's done. You can even go on the steel itself with it, but yeah, I got these pretty sharp. The dogs are having fun. This is another where'd it go? I got another axe handle here, but alright, just a short video on treating wood handle tools. Every tool I have with wood handles, I go on there. But here's Diesel. He's a Shepsky. He's a Husky German Shepherd mix. Diesel. And Max, the Australian Shepherd. But alright, the Rob from Great Lakes Reliance. Just a short video on some wood handle tool maintenance. So make sure you take care of your stuff with the state we're in, this country. Yeah, we're going to have to do a big bounce back in November. So everyone get out there and vote straight red. This is Rob from Great Lakes Reliance. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for this cheesy video. So until next time, talk to you later.